my loving husband. I had the opportunity and rare privilege of being the wife and partner of a wonderful, loving, kind, and God-fearing man. Life could not have been better than that because I was living every woman's dream. We had our problems like every family, but making up and resolving our issues was magical. I was blessed with the best husband and father to all my children. The 3 boys you left me will surely be my backbone. And the fruit you left in my womb, though you will not have a chance to see him or her, he or she will give me solace and comfort. You are the love of my life, the one who did everything humanly possible to protect me even in the face of all sorts of misconceptions. You understood the true meaning of our marriage. I am grateful that I had the opportunity to share your dreams, hopes, love, friendship, and much more. You are a man of the people, a man who stood by his family throughout, a man who was a hero to all who knew him, a man who loved unconditionally, a man who believed in sharing and caring, a man who put a smile on people's faces, a man who was so full of life, a man who was a bigger star in his own right than most of us. You will always be in my heart, and the love I have for you will never ever die. Your last words to me still echoes in my ears, and I will always remember them until we meet again. In great hands of your Creator, you rest my love. And the children and I will always remember you, babe. It is well with my soul, and I have released you to rest, for I understand you have finally completed your assignment on earth. It's time to take up your next assignment beyond the skies. Sign on your way, my friend, my partner, the pillar of my life, father of my children, my pride, and my husband.
Tumuhorero hirwega icio ni ciugo njega muno iria era muthuri wake ciugo cia gutio.